Okay, let's begin. First, let's hide the strategy tester dashboard. The indicator's chart is shown along the red line. The indicator has different levels to detect overbought or oversold conditions. Let's wait for a market opportunity to arise. Remember that you need to be patient and wait for the best opportunity to come along. That way, the odds of winning will be in your favor. The indicator measures the current data on the market. It shows an arrow if it detects any opportunity based on different levels of relative strength volume. An indicator arrow show you a potential market opportunity. Let's wait for a market opportunity to arise. It has detected an overbought condition, which means we expect the price to fall for a while. Therefore, trading recommendation is a potential sell opportunity. It could be a pullback for a short period of time. It is up to you how long to wait to take profit. We don't know the future, but if the market is in our favor we could have a better opportunity, but we have to be patient and know the risk to wait too much. In due time, an oversold condition also could mean a trend reversal is coming. It is up to you to wait or take profit previously. Remember, the market is a dynamic entity and we do not know what is going to happen in the future, so you have to take profit in the right moment, or stop lose if you wait too much. The Relative Strength Volume Indicator is a tool and it gives you recommendations, but you have the knowledge and responsibility of your actions.